In this video, I show you how to download GTA 5 on PC and laptop. Go to the Epic Games website, then click the download button at the top. I'll include the link to the Epic Games site in the description. Find the installation file, then double-click on the launcher file and follow the process to install the launcher. You may need to allow changes to be made. Once done, choose to sign in if you already have an Epic Games account, or click the Create an Account text and make a new account. Head to the top and select the search box, then search for GTA 5. Select GTA 5, then go to the site and click the Get or Buy Now button. Then complete the process to get GTA 5. Mine says In Library because I already have it. Click the In Library button. Select GTA. If you want to change where the game saves to, then click Browse and choose a new location. Adjust these settings if you want, then click Install. Click Yes when asked to allow Epic Games to make changes, then wait for GTA 5 to install. Once done, select Grand Theft Auto 5 to launch it. Then select Yes to allow changes to be made. Wait, then select Yes if asked to allow changes to be made. Enter a verification code if needed. Then select Install BattleEye. Make sure you're okay with the terms, then click I accept. This is the anti-cheat software for GTA. Read the information here, then click OK. Select Yes when asked to allow BattleEye to make changes, then wait for it to install. If you get an error, then close the window and relaunch GTA. You now know how to download GTA 5 on PC and laptop. Please leave a like.